You should really hammer this method into your brain if you want to get rich. So lately I've noticed a surge in channels adopting this exact strategy, and it's about time I let you in on this secret: starting a video to purchase YouTube channel. So here's the deal. You create videos where you talk about the absolute best products to buy. We're talking about anything from cell phones and laptops to watches and printers. But here's the kicker. You include your affiliate link in the description. So when viewers click on those links and make a purchase, you earn a sweet commission. Now, before you dive headfirst into video creation, you need to decide what type of products you want to review. The possibilities here are endless. You can focus on tech products like this awesome channel here, or you can explore consumer home goods like shavers and blenders. But let me drop a little wisdom bomb on you. If you want to maximize your earnings, stick to reviewing high-ticket items. Think laptops, phones, watches, computer software, and the list goes on. And the reason behind this strategy is very simple. You'll be making a lot more cash. So let's do a little math here to drive the point home. Imagine you create two videos, one about the best laptops for video editing and another about the best computer mouses. Both videos perform well, reaching around 300,000 views. Now let's say only 1% of viewers actually make a purchase based on your recommendations. That's 3,000 people. Now if you earned a modest 5% commission on a $3,000 laptop with 3,000 people buying it, you'd pocket over $450,000 in commission. On the other hand, if you earn the same 5% commission on a $30 computer mouse, those 3,000 purchases would only get you around $4,500. You see the massive difference here? So trust me when I say that focusing on high ticket items is the way to go. But what specific high ticket items should you review? My advice? Cover it all. Unlike traditional YouTube channels where a niche is essential, you're targeting a specific audience actively researching a product. These people are primed and ready to make a purchase. You just need to ensure that your videos get in front of the right audience. But how do you do that, you ask? Well, it all starts with having the right tools in your pocket. So I want you to grab a free browser extension called vidIQ. This is a game changer, trust me on this. You can download vidIQ by going to the link in my description or from their website if that's your style. With vidIQ installed, head over to a channel that's already rocking the video to purchase strategy. Take a look at this channel called Tech Daily. There are tons of other channels doing the same thing, like Top 5 Picks, Max Tech, The Deal Guy, just to name a few. These channels have all mastered the art of creating compelling videos that drive viewers to make purchases. Now, once you've installed vidIQ browser extension, start exploring these successful channels. Pay attention to their video titles, thumbnails, descriptions. Notice how they engage their audience and entice them to click on the affiliate links. Look for patterns and strategies that consistently drive views and conversions. While it's essential to learn from successful creators, it's equally important to infuse your own unique style and personality into your videos. Authenticity and genuine passion for the products that you're recommending will go a long way in building trust with your audience. Now let's talk about the actual video creation process. Remember, you don't necessarily need to show your face or speak in your videos if that's not your preference. Many successful video to purchase channels utilize screen recordings, product demonstrations, and engaging visuals to showcase the products they're reviewing. This one is super important, your call to action. Encourage viewers to click on the affiliate link in your video description. Clearly explain how their purchases will support your channel and enable you to continue providing valuable content. As your channel grows, it's crucial to maintain integrity and trust with your viewers. Always prioritize honest recommendations and disclose any affiliate relationships that you have with the products you promote. Transparency will strengthen your credibility and ensure a loyal and engaged following. So, armed with the knowledge of a successful video to purchase channel and armed with vidIQ browser extension, you're well on your way to capitalizing on this lucrative opportunity. So start brainstorming the product categories you're most passionate about and begin creating valuable and engaging content. This will help your viewer make more informed purchasing decisions. Good luck on your journey to YouTube success.